Hi, my name is Michael Nearen. I'm an immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. Today I'm going to talk to you briefly about the Super Visa program, an update. As some of you know, it's a 10-year visa issued to parents and grandparents. It was enacted to supplement the moratorium on parental and grandparent sponsorships. So meaning that for the last 2 years, parental and grandparent sponsorships were not being processed because there was a huge, massive backlog, and the government wanted to clear that backlog. So what they did was replace the sponsorship program with the Super Visa, and the Super Visa program has worked brilliantly. I'm very happy about the results. About 84% of Super Visa applications are approved, which is a great number. Parents and grandparents can come to Canada. The visa is issued for ultimately a 10-year period. They can, generally speaking, leave and go as they please and remain with their relatives in Canada. The other feature of the Super Visa is that it can be applied for pending a sponsorship application. And in January of 2014, the parental and grandparent sponsorship program will be reopening. We're hoping that the processing time will come down significantly prior to the moratorium, the freezing of the category. Processing times were an unacceptable 8 years. That's a long time. So now the government is saying it's going to be 3 years, which is still a long time, and they're hoping to cut it down to a year and a half. But in the meantime, the Super Visa program is still open. It's now a permanent program, which is great news, and we are processing more and more Super Visa applications. So I urge anyone who has a parent or grandparent overseas to consider the Super Visa application now and even after January 2014, when the parental sponsorship opens, if you want to be reunited with your relatives in Canada. Thank you and have a nice day. Hopefully this gave you some idea about what's going on with the Super Visa program.